Today we'll be running through a short demonstration on the installation of the bird spikes and lower bracket on a solar panel for your field units. We are using a 3/8 of an inch ratchet to secure the M6 nuts and bolts. Start by taking the solar panel out of its box and lay it face down on a flat surface. Make sure that there is nothing that could scratch or damage the solar cell before placing it down. If you're out on site, we recommend using the box the solar panel came in. Take the cable out from inside the panel and set it to one side. For purposes of demonstration, we have the wiring sitting on the right. Open the bag containing your nuts and bolts. Take a bolt and slide it through the bottom of one of the openings on the bottom of your solar panel. Grab your lower bracket and line it up so that the angled side is on the bottom of the panel. Grab a nut and lightly fasten the bolt. Repeat this step on the other side. Once both bolts have been lightly fastened, grab your ratchet and secure each nut until it is tight. Now we will be installing the bird spikes. Rotate the panel so that the empty side is facing you. Once again, slide a bolt through the underside of the panel and place the bird spike over top. Make sure that the bird spikes are facing downward towards your surface. Thread a nut over the bolt and lightly fasten it. Repeat the step as you did with the lower bracket. Once both are lightly fastened, grab your ratchet and tighten each nut further until tight. You will know if the installation has been done correctly if the angled parts of your metalwork line up as seen on screen. Now that this is complete, you're ready to begin installing the solar panel to a mounting pole.